In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Following that, scroll down a tiny bit to tap on Apps over here. Now select Cloned Apps and click on plus icon next to any available app you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can hold it and tap on Remove over here to get rid of it from your home screen, or to uninstall it, access it in App menu, hold it, and choose Uninstall. You can also go back to the same settings and tap on bin icon right next to it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!